former Prime Minister, Chandrasekhar ji was one of the greatest sons of Bharat. He stood for democratic values, recognized as a young Turk to ensure inter-party democracy. His political career has been unique, unparalleled. A member of Rajya Sabha for 15 years, 1962 to 77, and thereafter till he met his maker in 2007, he was member of Lok Sabha except once. But that period also was most significant in his life, when he had one of the most authentic Padyatras of Bharat to unite Bharat, to cut into divisiveness. So, a career in Parliament for more than 4 decades, and he had the occasion to see all the Prime Ministers till his death. No Prime Minister was missed by him in Parliament. I had the great occasion to be a member of Lok Sabha alongside him. To such a great son of Bharat, who stood for values that come from our civilizational ethos, I find it most befitting and appropriate that we must start a lecture series in his memory. Rajya Sabha Secretariat will take steps in that direction, and since Deputy Chairperson Rajya Sabha, Harivansh ji, a very distinguished journalist and very able parliamentarian, performing his job as Deputy Chairman with the exemplification of virtues and excellence, had the occasion to work alongside Chandrasekhar ji and saw him from close quarters. We cannot have a more befitting person than Harivansh ji to head the committee for such a lecture series to be started by Rajya Sabha. The decision has been taken by me very thoughtfully, in consultation with other members who I thought know him, Chandrasekhar ji, and everyone was on the board. Harivansh ji will take all steps in the direction. For such a great son of Bharat, Harivansh ji will give appropriate inputs so that we have a fellowship in his memory. Fellowship is given one time so that there can be compilation of all the activities, compilation of the works of such a great leader, and they would be published in the shape of a book. That again will be coordinated by the committee that looks after the memorial lecture in the memory of one of the greatest sons of Bharat. It is time that our young people come to know about the young Turk, about the fighter for democratic values, the only senior leader of the ruling party during emergency who was put behind the bars. He never risked anything for the nation. He did not care for his personal liberty and comfort when it came to Bharat's nationalism, and he always made us proud. He was Prime Minister during most turbulent times. I share many cherished moments. I was too junior. But I came to know about Chandrasekharji's spinal strength when he found his value system was being compromised. He did not hesitate even for a moment. He gave up the post of Prime Minister. In the book that will come out, I will give my personal reflections how a very serious effort was made by those who mattered at that point of time that Chandrasekharji should not announce his resignation on the floor of the House. I was sitting in Lok Sabha where Netaji Chandrasekharji's address was there. Straightway he went to Rashtrapati Bhavan. He stands for unity of Bharat. He was always against divisiveness. He was pillar of strength for us. And now when Bharat is on the rise as never before, Bharat is having a great place in the Committee of Nations. When our economy is looking up, when we have had recently a very successful operation against our enemies and terrorists, we need to be reminded more of his value system. He was a fearless politician, a politician who always acted like a statesperson. The only tribute we can pay to Chandrasekharji is to believe in his values, believe in his ideals, and believe in democracy for its core values.